Hey friends, it's Matt with Restoration Lawn Care. We're excited about starting this next round. This is when we really start putting out a lot of fertilizer for your warm season lawns. So your Bermuda, your Zoysia, Centipede, St. Augustine, all of those are going to be getting fertilizer. We'll also be doing spot treatments of any weeds in the lawn. If you're new with us, we'll also be putting down some pre-emergent at this time to make sure that more crabgrass does not emerge than what's already there. And we'll also be working to kind of clean your lawn up more. But for our existing clients, warm season, we're really focusing on the fertility and getting your lawn healthy, really greening up now, and getting it looking its best going into the summer. For cool season lawns, we are slowing down fertilizer. We don't want to push it right now. So what we're doing is we're putting down micronutrients, we're putting down iron, which is going to help keep your grass green longer and look nice and healthy, along with the micronutrients that will help with the rooting, and we'll be putting down some potassium as well. That will kind of drive your roots down deeper before the heat of the summer kicks in, when fescue begins to look stressed. So we're going to be working on those things for both warm season and cool season lawns. If you haven't already with warm season lawns, now is still a great time to get aerated. So if you're still interested in that, let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. We do aerations pretty much through the end of May, beginning of June is your ideal time. So we still have availability there. Just let us know. We hope you have a great day, and we look forward to continuing to help you with your lawn this year.